Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mortgage Pro. Today we are diving into the world of HELOCs. HELOC is a home equity line of credit. What exactly is a HELOC and how can it benefit you? Let's find out. A HELOC or home equity line of credit is a flexible loan option that allows you to borrow against the equity in your home. Think of it as a credit card, but with your home as a collateral. With a HELOC, you can borrow what you need when you need it, up to a certain limit. You only pay interest on the amount you draw, making it a versatile financial tool. Use it for home improvements, debt consideration, or unexpected expenses. It's a great way to tap into your home's value without refinancing. HELOCs offer flexibility, potentially lower interest rates, and tax-deductible interest. But remember, your home is on the line, so use it wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial insights. See you next time.